Top laundry hacks. 1. This multifunctional hamper has 2 removable sections to separate your lights and darks. Best part, each section doubles as a removable tote bag with an easy carry handle. The bags have a self-locating design, so when you're done, they will drop right back into place. 2. This is a mini portable washer and dryer machine. It is a compact, lightweight washing solution and has the ability to wash and dry all in one. It is perfect for smaller spaces like dorms, apartments, campers, or adventure setting without access to a washer and dryer. 3. This slim little tube expands into a full tripod laundry drying station. It holds up to 45 pounds of laundry and is made of rust-free and mold-free materials. You can customize the layout to fit in smaller indoor spaces or expand outside in fresh air to dry. Just collapse when you're done and store anywhere. 4. This rolling dolly is the ultimate way to do laundry, move groceries, or heavy items. It comes with a detachable bag, stands upright on its own, and has a trifecta wheel design so it can easily climb stairs with no hassle.